Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, April 24th, 2025, we're breaking down Bitcoin, BTCUSD, analyzing the latest news and the charts. Recent headlines suggest a potential easing of trade tensions between the US and China, thanks to President Trump softening his tariff stance, which is influencing market sentiment. Reports also indicate significant inflows into Bitcoin ETFs, suggesting growing institutional interest. Several analysts are eyeing $95,000 as a crucial resistance level and even a potential surge to $100,000. Now, let's dive into the charts and see what the technicals are telling us. We'll start with the one-day chart to get a broader perspective. Looking at the daily chart, we can see the price has been consolidating recently. We've had some decent up days, but also some pretty nasty down days. There seems to be some support forming around the $60,000 to $64,000 area. If we break that, we could see some larger downside. Resistance seems to be around the $70,000 area, so we need to break above that to be truly bullish in the short term. Now, let's zoom into the 1-hour chart to analyze recent price action more closely. We'll focus on this recent area of consolidation between about May 1st and today, April 24th, 2025. The hourly chart reveals a more detailed view of the recent volatility. After a bounce around May 3rd, it appears that price has failed to maintain those higher levels, indicating bearish momentum currently. The spike from April 22nd and 23rd also looks like it's selling off hard, so there's some definite short-term bearishness. Now let's look at the 15-minute chart so we can really narrow in on price action. Specifically, let's hone in on what's been happening on April 22nd and April 23rd as the price dumped. Let's get a sense of the volume and how that selling pressure impacted the price. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we see a clear breakdown. The volume was significantly elevated when the price action broke down, indicating strong conviction to the sell-off. The lack of recovery suggests a continued bearish sentiment in the short term. So, what does all this mean for Bitcoin traders? Short term, the bias is definitely bearish. Be cautious of long positions until we see a clear reversal pattern. Watch for a break above $70,000 on the daily as a potential bullish signal. Important levels to watch are that $60,000 support on the downside and $95,000 resistance on the upside. Ultimately, keep an eye on the news flow, particularly any updates on tariffs or regulatory changes, as these events can significantly impact Bitcoin's price. Good luck, and remember to always trade responsibly. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.